Hey guys, Bruce Schneider here with the Schneider Group and Keller Williams Realty Southwest, here to give you a quick hit on what's going on in the market today. We had a meeting with our office via Zoom the other day, and we go over numbers once a week. That way we know everything that's going on in the market based on the data that we're given. Right now, there are only a little over 4,000 houses in the market. 4,017, I believe the number was, and that's very low as far as what Vegas is used to having. Normally, this time of year, even though it's the seasonal time of year of slowing down, usually last year we were a little over 6,500. I want to say it's 6,700, maybe even 6,900, almost 7,000 houses. Either way, we're well off that number here. Now, what does that mean to you? Are you in the market to buy a house right now? Were you thinking about buying a house? People would think that the law of supply and demand would be driving these prices up. Now, coupled with the 4,000 number of inventory houses out there, and these are single family homes, the cost or the transactional price jumped $20,000 roughly from the week prior. Does that mean that houses are more expensive today? Not necessarily. What it means is that the houses that are selling are the more expensive houses. Therefore, that translates to the numbers. And that's been happening throughout the year. What could be causing this? Well, the Fed has made sure that the interest rates don't rise up. And as a matter of fact, they're actually going down. They're still going down. We're still at all-time lows. We might get some ticks up here and there, but they're still at historic lows. And what that means to the consumer who is in the market, it means they can buy more house. So if someone's trying to buy a $400,000 house 8 months ago, guess what? The interest rates dropped. Therefore, they can buy more house today. So that $400,000 house became a $450,000 purchasing power. So people are buying better houses or bigger houses or more expensive houses because the interest rates are so low and they're taking advantage of it. It doesn't mean that the house that they were going to buy at $400,000 before is all of a sudden now worth $450,000. No, they've passed on that house and they've gone to a bigger, better house for their purposes. So that's what's happening. So when you see the news saying that the Valley's housing prices are skyrocketing, not necessarily. There's about an 8%, actually 7.56% to be exact, increase in increase in value over last year, year over year at this time. But people are looking at it and are saying it's 12 and 13%. To me, that's a bunch of hyperbole, but the real raw data shows that we're about a 7.56 increase in home values over the Valley. So if you look at the numbers, make sure that you're looking at all the figures that are giving you those numbers. Or if someone's telling you, hey, houses are going out of the roof, we got a bubble and all that good stuff, not necessarily, guys. We have a normal market as far as appreciation, actually closer to normal market as appreciation. I mean, we've seen higher appreciation in the past, but it's nowhere near that number. So when you see the numbers of the houses and the pricings going up, know that there's another thing that's causing that, and it's basically interest rates. Interest rates are low, people are buying more expensive houses, and those are the houses that are causing the numbers to rise. So it's not that the houses are worth more, the people who are buying the house have more purchasing power. So that's all I have today. If you're in the market of thinking of buying a house, know that you're not getting priced out of the market. Think possibly that you could probably afford more house if you go back and talk to your lender and you can get back in the market. It's still a good time to buy. People who are trying to sell right now are really trying to sell right now, as well as people who are trying to buy right now are really trying to buy right now. So get out there, see what's out there for you. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're on YouTube, we're on Instagram, we're on obviously Facebook, and we're VegasMetroLife.com if you guys want to find us on the internet. My number is 702-410-6573. That's a number you can reach us. And if you have any questions, like I said, don't hesitate to reach out. All right? Have a good day. Bye now.